So I know a lot of you are new to this channel and you just subscribed, and I've been getting a lot of viewers watching one of my old videos, which was how I made $5,000 per month selling on eBay. So I thought I would do an updated video of that, how I make $10,000 selling online as my side hustle. In that previous video, you guys asked where I source my items from, how much I buy them for, and how much I sell them for. So in this video, I'm gonna go over 1 month where I sold $10,000 per month, and I'll go over the exact items that I sold, how much I sold them for. And at the end of this video, I'm gonna show you guys exactly where I source my items from and where you can source it from. It's really easy, so follow along and you'll have exactly what you'll need to get started with the side hustle. I really do love this side hustle a lot because you don't need a lot of money to get started. I started with $200 and now I'm making $10,000 per month. And that's just from reinvesting my profit. And you really don't need to invest a lot of time into this. I work full-time as a software engineer, 9 to 5. So I do this part-time and I work about 5 to 10 hours per week on this. And I'm able to make about $10,000 per month. So you don't need a lot of money and you don't need a lot of time. Plus, there's no special skills that you have to learn. So this is perfect for somebody that's just starting. I do like to sell exclusively on eBay because it's one of the easiest platforms for you to sell on. You don't have to worry about search engine optimization, bringing people into your site. You don't have to worry about setting up payment for your buyers. All of that is already set up through the eBay system. All you have to do is set up an account and list your item and you'll get it sold and get paid. And you don't have to worry about all the other stuff that you would if you were selling on something like your own site. But I do still sell on Amazon and also Facebook Marketplace. So those are the 3 places that I sell. But right now I'm gonna focus on eBay because that's usually where I do most of my selling. So this is my sales report for eBay on December 27th. 2018 through January 31st, 2019. So I sold a total of 9,445. This excludes the sales that I did on Amazon and also Facebook Marketplace. So on December 27th through January 2nd, I sold $2,533. And on January 3rd through the 9th, I sold $879. January 24th through the 30th, I sold $3,000. So in total, $9,445. So I did promise to show you guys exactly what I sold during that time. And one of the items that I sold a lot of and that made a good amount of money was this. This is the DJI Mavic Air. This is a drone that's sold by DJI, a Chinese company. And this usually retails for $799. But I was able to get it for $239, and as you can see, I got a lot of them and I was able to resell them for $650. So that's about a $400 profit per item. And I did end up selling a lot of these on Facebook Marketplace because that allowed me to avoid the eBay fees, which is a 10% fee, and 10% fee is a lot when you consider that these are selling for $650. So I made a good amount of money on this product. So I ended up selling a good amount of the DJI Mavic Airs, but I did also end up selling the DJI Sparks. They're a smaller version of this drone and they gave me a good amount of profit. I'm not gonna go into that right now, but another item that I sold was this. This is the Bose Home 500 speaker. And as you can see that if I find a product that I really like at a good price, I end up keeping one for myself as well. So this one retails for $399, but I was able to get it for $119 and sell it for $375. So that's about a $250 profit. And I was able to get a good amount of these. So that's how I made the $10,000 that I did in that month. And this is usually what I do when I resell items. I get them at a really good price and I resell them. So I know a lot of you are probably asking in the comment section, where do I get these items? How can I get them? How can I resell them? But before I tell you guys that, if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe right here so you don't miss any future videos like this. And if you're enjoying this video so far, make sure you hit that like button because it really does help out this channel a lot. So this is probably the moment that a lot of you have been waiting for, and that's where I'm sourcing these items from. So you see by now that a lot of these items I'm getting for 50% off, 70% off, 90% off, and I don't have any type of special employee discount or any of that stuff. And I am getting these from local retail stores like Target or Walmart or Lowe's. And a lot of these stores usually do clearance items, and they clearance items for a couple of reasons. One, they might be trying to get rid of old inventory, or they might be trying to get rid of inventory to make space for a store renovation, or whatever reason. They're doing clearance items all the time. And these clearance items are store level. So they're not nationwide, they're store specific. So you have the option of driving around to these different retail stores and seeing if they have clearance items. But that's not what I do, because that takes too much time from my day for me to do that. I actually found a website that allows me to do this very easily, and it's called brickseek.com. Brickseek.com is a great tool for a reseller on a time crunch like myself that doesn't really want to drive around these different stores and look at their clearance sections. I can just log in online and see what the prices are at these different stores. If they have a clearance item, it will show me right there online, and I can drive to the store with confidence that, first of all, the item is going to be there, and second of all, I'm going to get it at a good price. So Brickseek taps into the inventory of Target, Walmart, Lowe's, Office Depot, Staples, Home Depot, and you get to really see what their clearance is like. So some stores are going to have a better clearance than others, and you get to drive to that specific store and buy the item that you want at a really great price. So let me show you exactly what brickseek.com is all about. So this is brickseek.com. So Brickseek actually has 3 different levels of membership. They have a free version, they have a premium version, which costs $9.99 per month, and they have an extreme version, which costs $29.99 a month, and that's the one that I have. So I enter my zip code right here, which is DC, and then I get to see all the clearances around me. Electronics deals near me. So this extreme section just means it shows to me only because I have the extreme membership. The premium membership only shows for people that have a premium or extreme membership. And it'll also show you online electronic deals. But my favorite section is up here, the members area. You get to search by today's markdowns. And you can search by Walmart, Target, Lowe's, Office Depot, Macy's. So you can search any of these stores to see what their clearance is at that specific retailer. So I'm going to select Target, and this is all the different clearances that they have at Target. So you can just look around here and see what catches your eye and what you think will have a good resale value. And I'm looking around and I see that this Verizon prepaid Moto E6 is $35 and it usually costs $119. So now you have the option to click on check inventory. If you click on that, it will tell you exactly how many of them they have around your zip code and what they cost at the specific stores. So it shows me that all the different stores around my area are $119. And down here, you can see that $35 is what it's going for in the one in Ellicott City, Maryland. So I can drive to that store, pick this item up for $35 and resell it for $93. So that is the power of Brickseek, and that's really why I like using it, because it makes it so easy. You don't have to go into all these different retail stores, and you can keep searching for Walmart, Lowe's, and all these different retailers. And that's really how I source all these items. So this is a really powerful tool for you to add if you're somebody that wants to get into reselling. And it makes it really easy. You don't have to waste time or money looking up these different things. As I said, it is $9.99 per month for the premium membership, and you can just try it for a month. If you don't like it, you can cancel it. By the way, this is not sponsored by Brickseek, but if they are watching this video and they want to sponsor it, yeah, I'm here for a sponsorship. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you hit that like button. And if you haven't subscribed, you can do that right over here. And if you guys are planning on selling on eBay, make sure you check out my video on top scams that are pulled on new buyers. I don't want you guys to fall for these scams because they do go after a lot of new sellers. And if you watch that video, you'll be able to avoid most of the scams. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you guys next time.